About this is that it has black seed oil as well as coconut oil, and it is up to 79% less breakage, blow dry heat protection, and boost shine. Hey guys, so as you saw, I went from curly to straight hair, which I don't do often, but when I do, I want to make sure that I use products that is not going to damage my hair. Instead, I want to make sure that I use products that are going to maintain my hair healthy and nourished, so when I transition back to my curly hair, there's no problem. Me personally, I don't want it pinched straight. This is why I'm always twirling my hair, because I just want like that little bit of volume, that little bit of oomph, that, you know, just like a slight curl, even if it's like a wave. You know, that's just my preference. And then I just like to keep this here nice and curled, just like my bang. So I think it looks super cute, this hat too, so that just worked out. I used the detangling foam before I started the roller set. It's what I use to prep my curls to make sure that it is going to actually stick once I do put the roller set on. I use the Hood hair dryer, and those are the ones that they really have in the salon, but I have one in the house, and it was really convenient because I had it for about an hour and 20 minutes, but I was able to take breaks in between, make sure that the settings were on cool, because I wasn't in really much of a rush. So as well as I knew that I could just air dry the rest of it until it was, you know, dry enough for me to take it out. This edge smoothing pomade, and it's like really to like gel down your edges and just have more of a sleek look if that's what you're going for, especially when you have a hat like this, or if you're gonna do different hairstyles with your hair that you just style. So use it when your hair's curly, so that's like a two-in-one kind of deal that you got going on using this. Let's say I think this shirt is super cute. Look, this is my wash day shirt.